subject Science, class 3rd, and in this module we will learn about birds. Students, you may have seen many types of birds. Birds can be seen flying in the air or swimming in the water. Birds can be small or big. So, all the birds have beautiful feathers. Birds are the only animals on the earth who have feathers. Feathers help birds to fly and to keep them warm. They are of different colors and shapes. They are light yet strong. Some birds, like peacock and parrots, have brightly colored feathers. Students, do you know all the feathers on a bird's body are not the same? Different kinds of feathers have different uses. Soft and small feathers are found all over the bodies of birds. These are called down feathers. They are fluffy and help birds to remain warm. The long feathers on birds' wings and tails are called flight feathers. These feathers are stiff and strong. The feathers on birds' wings help them to fly. Tail feathers of birds can change the direction while flying. Now, here I tell you how do birds fly. Students, birds fly with the help of a pair of wings. Most birds like crows, sparrows, pigeons, and parrots can fly. Some birds such as ostrich, kiwis, and penguins cannot fly. Birds are able to fly because of their body structure. So, I will tell you features of birds. Birds have wings and most of them can fly. They have light and hollow bones. They have feet and claws. They do not have teeth, instead have beak which is used to tear, bite, crush and chew their food. Birds have streamlined bodies which help them to fly. Students, as you all know that birds fly with the help of their wings. The two types of movements of the wings are the upstroke and downstroke. During upstroke, the wings move upward and backward. During downstroke, the wings move downward and forward. Now, we will talk about birds and their beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to eat food. Birds use their beaks for other things as well. Now, we will talk about how do birds use their beaks. Birds use their beaks to catch and eat their food, pick up twigs to build a nest, feed their young ones, and protect themselves. As you all know that birds have different kinds of beaks depending on the kind of food they eat. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, and peacock have short, hard, and strong beaks to crush the grain and seeds they eat. But water birds have broad, flat beaks with the holes on the sides to catch fish. They take in fish, worms, and small plants in the form of muddy water. Parrots have curved, sharp beaks to crush nuts and hard seeds. Flesh-eating birds like the eagle and owl have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks to tear the flesh, and the small birds and animals. A woodpecker has a long and strong beak. It helps it to drill holes in wood and pull out insects. So, students, in this module we talked about birds, their beaks and how do they fly. Thank you and have a nice day.